In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Robinhood. A lot of people get this wrong because they expect a traditional customer service hotline. Robinhood doesn't publish a direct public phone number for general support, so the safest and most reliable way to reach them is through their official support channels. If you're on a computer, start on the official Robinhood support page. Log into your account so the system can verify who you are. Once you're signed in, open the account menu, go to Help, and select Contact Us 24/7. From there, you can choose between live chat or a phone callback. Pick the option that fits your situation. Chat is great for quick questions, while a callback is best if you want to speak with someone directly. Before you submit your request, double-check that you're logged in and that your contact details are up to date so you don't miss the response. Whether you use the desktop site or the mobile app, it's the same support system behind the scenes. So if you prefer the app, go to the Help section there and follow the same flow to reach Contact Us 24/7. The experience is designed to be consistent across devices. Here's the key detail about phone support. Robinhood does not have a public direct number that you can dial for general help. Instead, you request a callback from within the app or the website, and a support representative will call you, usually within minutes. This callback model is intentional. It helps prevent scams, imposter lines, and fake numbers that might try to get your login details or money. When you request the call, keep your phone nearby, be ready to verify your identity, and watch for the incoming call shortly after submitting your request. There are a few phone lines that exist for very specific, limited scenarios, but they are not for general customer support. If your question involves your account, trades, or security, always start with the in-app or web Contact Us flow. It ensures your inquiry is routed correctly and securely. A very important warning before we wrap up. Many so-called Robinhood phone numbers you'll find on search engines or social media are scams. Do not call random numbers or respond to messages that ask for your credentials or codes. Only trust support options you access from inside the app or the official website after you've logged in. When in doubt, go back to Account, then Help, then Contact Us 24/7, and request chat or a callback. That's the correct and safest way to contact Robinhood support.